What does Python's eval do? In the book that I am reading on Python, it keeps using the code eval, input blah. I read the documentation, and I understand it, but I still do not see how it changes the input function. What does it do? Can someone explain?
The eval function lets a Python program run Python code within itself. Eval example, interactive shell.
In Python 2.x input, is equivalent to eval, row_input, In Python 3.x row_input was renamed input, which I suspect lead to your confusion. You were probably looking at the documentation for input in Python 2.x. Additionally, eval, input, it would work fine in Python 3.x, but would raise a type error in Python 2. In this case, eval is used to coerce the string returned from input into an expression and interpreted. Generally, this is considered bad practice.
Eval interprets a string as code. The reason why so many people have warned you about using this is because a user can use this as an option to run code on the computer. If you have eval input and OS imported, a person could type into input os.system rm r**, which would delete all your files in your home directory. Assuming you have a Unix system. Using eval is a security hole. If you need to convert strings to other formats, try to use things that do that, like int.
Eval, as the name suggests, evaluates the passed argument. Row_input is now input in Python 3.x versions. So the most commonly found example for the use of eval is its use to provide the functionality that input provided in 2.x version of Python. Row_input returned the user entered data as a string, while input evaluated the value of data entered and returned it. Eval, input, blah blah, thus replicates the functionality of input in 2.x, i.e., of evaluating the user entered data. In short, eval evaluates the arguments passed to it, and hence eval 1 + 1 return 2.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.